Welcome to the Lamar Memorial Library at Maryville College. This video provides instructions on using the library's chat service. Chat is a great tool for getting assistance with brief research questions or other questions about library resources and services. To find the library's chat service, go to the library's main page at library.maryvillecollege.edu. Find and select the Get Help Now tab on the main page. You will also find this tab on other library web pages. To get help, enter your first and last name and click Start Chat. This will initiate a chat conversation with a Maryville College librarian. When the librarian responds, you can begin your chat. Chat services provide help using the library and its resources and services. Chat is best for brief research questions. We can also provide answers to questions about library resources. You can also get help with citing resources for your research projects. For more in-depth research questions and projects, for example, English 120 essays and debates or senior study, please schedule a research appointment with a librarian. When you are finished with the chat, you can request to be contacted by a librarian for follow-up assistance. You can also email the chat transcript to yourself. The transcript will have the information provided during your chat session. For more information about library resources and services, go to the library's main page at library.maryvillecollege.edu. Thank you for visiting the Lamar Memorial Library.